Alright guys, let me tell you about this battle that I've been having with the rear struts on the 2004 Explorer. So as you can see, I finally was able to get it out. um, Obviously these have never been switched out, so the bolt on the inside, which is located back here, I don't know if you guys could see, but so here's one hole, and then the other one is right over here. So getting to it, the bolts were already stripped or weathered, whatever you want to call it. So I had to end up removing the tire and then drilling a hole through the nut, or the bolt and the nut, and then I was able to just chisel it out. So then you could see where it kind of broke off. So that kind of released it. This one I had to do the same thing. Actually, the nut broke off on the top, so I was able to slide that one out. But this is the only one that was good. So now I'm having the same difficulty with that one over there. Alright, so getting back to the strut removal on the 2004 Explorer. Passenger side, I was able to complete the driver's side, but now the passenger side became a little bit more of a headache with that inner bolt being very rusted, and so the 13 millimeter that it should be was not the size. So I had to remove the fuel line. So there's the filler neck, and that way I could fit the drill on there. I also got rid of the mechanism for the spare tire to hold it up, and then also the liner for the spare tire, which goes right in there. So that's gonna give me enough room so that I can get the drill and drill this bad boy out. Alright, well, finally success on the passenger side, removing the coil spring strut, or the strut I should say, from the passenger side on the Explorer. A lot of fun. If you are looking for a good time and are extremely bored, this would be the way to spend it. These are the original struts on the 2004 Explorer, and as you could tell by the rust, and look at that crack on the mounting. Oh. So took the Explorer out for a test drive, and actually have put about 60 miles on it since I put the new struts, and I gotta say, what a difference. Definitely worth the headache and frustration that those old struts were to remove, and definitely the process of it. It was a very good learning experience, but overall the ride is way better.